didn't it blink full? It was, didn't it say blink full? It did, Emily, it did. It had a cassette thing showing. I haven't videotaped in forever, I don't remember. Emily.
The cheerleaders there were cheered?
Yeah, Emily. McGowan.
Peyton cheer.
Emily.
Or Peyton cheer. Or Peyton. You gotta pronounce it.
Emily.
Or babe.
Emily. It hits a full, I'm gonna get bleeped full. Emily, will you please hey, when Jason's like, why was it? You have to help me.
You're not even paying attention. Brady's like, Emily, seriously. Help me.
That was a walk. Yeah, Chris! Quiet?
Seriously, no, don't do that. Chill. Come on, Timberlake!
Go, Timberlake! Nice job, Alex! Emily, seriously, if you said cool. Oh my gosh! Come on, guys!
Oh my God.
Well, those are Canada's stepsisters, you dork. Emily, do you know that Candy's mom used to date my dad?
Yeah.
I think that's awesome. What? In high school at EC class. My dad was a hot tamale. Way to go, Chris!
Let it run.
Oh my gosh.
There's my number, that's what it's for. Not many guys do, right?
my gosh, this sucks. Come on, Timberlake! Move, my gosh. This sucks.
Okay, answer my phone. Okay, I'll talk to Jesse.
Way to go, Noose! Million
I'm gonna add my picture as your best friend. I'll make sure I can figure out what touch.
Come on! I don't know. That was the route that I wanted. Healthy and
Sorry.
What's Jesse for?
Tornadoes are back.
I know, but I like it when you give me massages, Jordan.
She does that to you too.
I smell really, really, really strong cologne.
Smells good, doesn't it?
A little too much.
He's not wearing cologne.
Yeah, he is.
It's not very strong.
You're smart.
Einstein, that one.
Did you ever any of the CDs? Have you seen any of her stuff?
Yeah, my book bag. I told her I had them. Oh, go up at that bin.
Is it John?
Yeah, man.
Hey. You'll find out. No, she's going this one. Okay, I can hear it. Who's next? I think she's looking at you.
Go, Luke! I hate filming.
Across! Come on, John!
Go, Chris! Yeah, Chris! Way to go!
Way to go, Butterfly.
I know, Randy's like, oh.
I don't know what to
Randy.
Hit the ball.
Randy. I went down there and I sat between Sean and Nathaniel was studying for literature or whatever, and then I told Sean's mom, I was like, yeah, Sean has a test tomorrow and he needs to study for it. Let's go, big blue. Let's go on space. Okay, you know how to do it anyway.
Charge.
Good. Let Emily Hickey go like William. Is he and Timmy together?
What?
Him and Timmy together? Not like that, but.
I was gonna say, that's me, but
I don't like Timmy. You don't like Timmy? Oh, I
Jimmy makes
love.
fun of her. Jimmy makes fun of everybody.
I love Timmy. I'm like.
See, Mo.
I'm like. Once she found it, she probably make you fix it all. Like rip all around the edges or something.
Somebody at the end of the game.
What? You got it.
No, that's when you came. Right when they get ready to fall, you gotta blow the book in your hand. This is broke. I know you did it. Where'd you get it from in the first place? Where'd you get it from? Where'd you get it from?
It is hard?
No, it's really good.
That's good. That's good.
First down.
Personal foul. It's just hurt. That's why it's so hurt.
Whatever.
You're gone. We can hurt if we want to hurt. Travel.
Brandy.
Randy, go away. You're blocking the view.
I'm gonna ask Steven to
Fucking playing to play the game.
Red hot! Red hot!
Do you think that Rachel's pretty?
I have no comment. Second one.
I'll paint!
Oh my word, Belle! Oh please! He's fallen twice! Excuse me, you better find it or else. It's gonna be miserable.
I will start.
come back. Oh.
Kick ball. That was really. Got the one on the end, got the one next to the yellow shirt.
Nice try, Nibs!
I think it's very much for you to explain that way because we're marching and we have to put shoot that loop.
Get down.
That's what Will does. Will shoots and he goes.
We don't know what he does.
I'm gonna go.
Give me some. Randy, you will give me some. Give me some, Randy.
I'll give you some.
You're so mean. I officially don't like you.
Yes, you.
I'm like, yeah. I think, yeah. People are moving.
The call.
Throw. One time.
I got you covered.
Call something.
Excuse me, we talking like that?
All to my grill. Hey, I don't want this.
All up in my grill.
I'm like,
Who says that? All up in my grill.
You're not even in the room. Step on the door.
Emily, shh, just don't talk.
Well, Emily, it's stupid not to do it when you're under. I was coming right now, Emily. It's stupid not to come over here and videotape. Shut up, Emily.
You know what? I blame her. You. Paying attention to me anyway.
said something about food, so I guess you can talk to her. Bye, Ms. McGowan.
Hi, Ms. McGowan.
It's so cute. Guys. No, seriously, what? I hit it with that. You're super seniors or something. Nope. Let me see your picture, Jesse. It's so cool. I have a pen, Jesse. Can autograph the picture. Can you sell on eBay? Sure. I'll take you.
It's worth $1 million.
Oh my God. Alright, I don't have that.
What are you doing? Fishing? Not fun. I go to bed. We can let them eat it. Come on, let's go play.
I know who she is.
No.
Your heart.
Oh my goodness. Way to pass the ball, buddy. Good job. Nice black, not white.
I didn't realize it was fourth. I thought they were doing a timeout thing.
Did you completely not get any of the first part of that? First? Yeah.
I was wondering what I was trying to find you, Dorcas.
Well, Emma, I told you I was going to be a little late. I was like,
No, you told them that, not me.
I was there. So this is really mad. You didn't get the first half of the
Who cares? Give him a break. I hate filming.
We're not doing this next year.
Next year.
I'm playing that.
You're playing basketball. That's for poopheads.
I'm watching the game.
No, I'm waiting.
That's my pencil.
I'm going to pick it up. I just been sick. I'm like,
We'll pick it up when you finish.
okay.
Oh, great.
Why'd you put these fuzzies on?
Oh, why can't you act like a normal person?
Randy.
Don't you wish I was beside you, Peyton? Don't you wish I was beside you?
I don't think he wishes that one either. Peyton's on the top.
Peyton!
Emily.
Peyton! Oh, poor Brandy. She's all mad.
I can never be serious about it. Too serious because it's bleeping dolphins.
Hate is a strong word, but I really don't like it. Oh my goodness, he tripped! No, the other black boy. In the black!
Dude, that makes a lot of sense.
I did say black boy. Oh, whoops. Can't throw that.
I don't think so. Emma. You're welcome.
Love ya.
Thank you.
Anytime. You can feel the
Oh.
earlier you were on.
It was bleeping with the yellow cassette thing.
You've told me this like 50 times.
Well, you're gonna tell Jason that it was my fault the whole time.
Yeah, I would.
Full Randy. Full pivot.
Alice, you better make that.
Legs. If it wasn't that.
Emily, the thing was bleeping yellow and it says cool.
I'm sorry.
You can't.
What? Why did they go to the hospital?
I don't know.
They don't know why they went to the hospital.
Said they don't know. He was yeah, and they didn't know what was wrong. But she didn't let it ask her.
not feeling good.
Come on. See him up. See him up.
You want to tell me to shush? Or
Okay, come on, let's play tough. Let's go.
Clayton! Peyton. I don't know how to say his name. I don't know how to say it. If I should say Peyton or Peyton.
Peyton.
Peyton. Randy's about to die. It's like about to get off. Like, I'm afraid we're only gonna have.
Alright, let's see how long this is. Emily, stop it for a second, sweetie.